If Lightroom is showing error 146, don't worry. This is usually caused by a file permission issue, a disk write problem, or Lightroom not being able to access the folder where your photos are stored. In this quick guide, I'll show you the safest and easiest fixes so you can get Lightroom working again without wasting time. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. First, check your disk space. Lightroom needs enough free space to write files properly, so make sure you have at least 20 to 30 gigabytes free on your drive. If your storage is nearly full, free up some space and try again. Next, move your photos to a better location. If your files are stored on an external drive, a locked folder, or a synced cloud location, Lightroom may not have full access. Try moving the photos to your desktop or pictures folder on your internal drive, then open them from there. This often fixes the issue immediately. Now let's fix folder permissions, because this is one of the most important steps. Right-click the folder that contains your photos, choose Properties, then go to the Security tab. Make sure your user account has full control. If it doesn't, edit the permissions and allow full access. Once that is set, click Apply and try Lightroom again. If the problem continues, rename the file or folder. Avoid special characters like slashes, colons, asterisks, and question marks, because Lightroom can struggle with certain file names. Keep the names simple, using only letters, numbers, spaces, or dashes. Another thing to check is whether the file is open in another app. Close any photo editors, file viewers, backup tools, or sync programs that may be using the same file in the background. Sometimes Lightroom error 146 happens simply because another app is locking the file. After making these changes, restart Lightroom and try importing or editing again. In most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away. To recap, check your free disk space, move the file to an internal folder, fix folder permissions, rename the file if needed, and close any other apps that might be using it. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Lightroom troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.